Hey guys, Donnie here at Tomorrow Group, eXp Realty, Memphis, Tennessee. And this week we're going to talk about different festivals going on coming up in the Memphis area. So stay tuned and let's chat living in Memphis. So Memphis has always got a ton of stuff going on. Man, until I started making these videos, I didn't even realize what was going on in Memphis and how much there is to do here, which just makes this an awesome city in that regard. And we're going to kick off May talking about a bunch of these festivals because summer's coming up. People are looking for things to do with the kids. Kids are getting out of school, and it's super important that they're able to stay busy and have good, wholesome things to do. Let's kick it off with the most anticipated yearly festival in Memphis that everybody knows about, the Beale Street Music Festival. Now, I don't necessarily know that that's the kid event, but obviously it is an event for a whole bunch of people, thousands to go get some amazing live music in. Not a lot of explanation needed. Tons and tons of headliners will be performing. Check online to see the lineup and when you want to go. Tickets are available. You can get a one-day pass. You can get a full weekend pass. Man, and if you can't make it this year, make plans to go next year because it's always a packed out event for sure. Then there's the Made in Memphis Summer Series, partnered up and located over at Saddle Creek. This event takes place on 4 different dates: May 6th, June 10th, July 1st, and August 5th. So you got plenty of time throughout the summer to plan it out. Shop at all the local vendors. You can apply to be a vendor if you want to at shopsofsaddlecreek.com. So that's a pretty cool place if you got a boutique type business. They always have drinks from Tipsy Tumbler, which can be fun, and it's definitely a pretty cool event that you don't want to miss. Next event we want to hit on is coming up June 3rd, and that's the Margarita Festival. I didn't know this existed. Where's this been all my life, right? Located over at Overton Square from 3 to 6 p.m. June 3rd. General admission tickets are $48, but it gives you access to sample 12 different margaritas. And hey, if you're one of my realtor friends out there watching this, I know y'all need that with this market, right? Also includes plenty of music, games, and many more activities, and it's definitely an awesome summer event to take a friend to. Take one of your besties or possibly a date and get out there and have a good time. Memphis Crafts and Drafts is going to be coming up on June 10th. Pretty cool event that they do down at Crosstown Concourse. I know we had an event there for our team down at Crosstown just a month or so ago. A great venue, pretty doggone cool, easy to get to, great atmosphere. This one goes from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I advise that you get there early. It starts early in the day. So basically crafts and drafts. So it sounds like some day drinking going on. Enjoy the delicious crafts, drinks, and the family-friendly games. Over 80 plus crafts. Don't try them all because it is starting pretty early in the day, but come out and support the different vendors with your family and enjoy it. It should be a great time down at Crosstown. Before I get to the last few events, if this video has helped you make your summer plans, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video for more content like this, and so that more people get to plan their summer around these events as well. Everybody will appreciate you doing that. Memphis Summer Cocktail Festival, July 14th. Put this one on the calendar because it's a couple months out. But man, they had me at cocktail. From 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. on July 14th. It is definitely for the nightlife type people for sure. So if you're a nighttime person, this is the one to go to. And it is at one of our absolute gems here in the city, the Shelby Farms, right? We all love Shelby Farms, and I may very well try to make this one out there. If you see me out there, make sure you say hi. You'll be able to try all the summer-inspired cocktails. You do have to purchase tickets, but it includes 12 mini cocktails to sample. It sounds like a really good time. They'll also have music, food trucks, photo booth, cool things like that, so you will enjoy it. Another one that sounds like an awesome date night to me. Cooper Young Festival. We've all heard of this one. It's a few months out also. September 16th. Goes from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. It's later in the year, but get it on the calendar now because you know the kids are going to go back to school in August, and by September 16th, you're going to need something to get out of the house and do other than homework and registration and all that stuff that comes along with getting the kiddos back into school. Cool one for this one, no cover charge. It celebrates all things Memphis, lots of handmade art, music from Memphis bands, and so much more. So the Cooper Young Festival in September is definitely one you want to check out. Now, I know there's plenty more festivals going on all summer here in the Memphis area because there's so much to do, and we weren't able to mention them all, but comment below the ones that we missed so that everybody else has a chance to get them on their calendar and help each other out. That's what this is all about. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. As always, do yourself a favor, subscribe to the channel, and do us a favor and like the video.